How's it going, everybody? This is my second year growing rhubarb, and well, second year growing rhubarb successfully. I've attempted multiple times in the past and nothing ever really came back. So I'm very happy about this. The plant, I started it from seed last year. I got a couple of them here, and they pretty much took off and did very well. I didn't harvest anything because I was told that you wanted to wait for a second year, and we did. And it's springtime, and I really haven't been over to this garden bed too much to check on it. And the other day I came out and found that it's bolted and it's flowering now. So I had put out a video on TikTok asking for any advice, and somebody told me that I'm supposed to cut it off or else it's going to ruin the production for the plant for the rest of the year. So I did a little bit of research on my own and found that seems to be true. It sounds like it's not going to hurt the plant necessarily, but the plant is not going to concentrate on putting out leaves, which is what you want because you want to eat the edible stalks, not the leaves themselves because they are toxic, but you want to eat the stalks. So I'm going to go ahead and chop this guy down, this big bolt here and on the other plant. So, you know, hopefully the plant will get back to doing what we want. Some people online are saying that this could be brought on, multiple different things could be bringing this on. One is that heirloom varieties tend to bolt more than more modern varieties of rhubarb. This is Victorian rhubarb. I got the seeds from Baker Creek Heirloom Seed Company, so that would make sense why it would be bolting more, because it is an heirloom seed. The other factors are stress. When the plant feels like, you know, it needs to propagate to put out more seed to make more plants. If it's not getting enough water or nutrients where it's at and it thinks that it's, you know, time to throw its seeds out there, it's going to try to do that. So like I said, I've been neglecting this bed all season because we're just getting into spring now. We just really haven't been over here, and I haven't been watering at all over here, so it's just what's happening, you know, naturally. So I'm going to cut this down. I'm also going to start putting this bed on a timed watering, and I'm also going to throw some more compost in around the base of it to try to give it some more nutrients. So first time doing this. I've lopped the tops off of plenty of other plants before for similar reasons, but first for rhubarb. It's got a hollow stalk. I'm a little bit concerned. I'm wondering if that hole down there is going to collect water. I guess we'll see what happens. I see another little baby coming off the side here, and I assume I can eat these stalks also. So I might have to make myself the first batch of strawberry rhubarb pie. And this little guy's bolting, both these little ones. Not really sure what else I could do about that. It's just gonna kind of be a wait and see kind of thing. It's got a 1.5 inch opening there. So hopefully I didn't harvest it too late, but even these little guys have a hollow center also. So we'll keep an eye on it and see what it does. Thanks for watching.